I'm going to teach you guys how to leverage trade without the chance of getting liquidated. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody, Angel here, Begin Crypto. I'm going to talk to you guys about a brand new feature inside of the Kucoin app that you guys can use to leverage trade. Now, let's talk about leverage trading really quick before we get started. And if you guys have ever used Bybit or BitMEX, you guys are able to use leverage. What is leverage trading? Leverage trading is when you guys use Bitcoin or Ethereum, ADA, etc. You guys use a project and you put leverage on top of it. So let's say you had one Ethereum and you wanted to leverage trade it and you wanted to set it to go long, which means you think the price is going to go up from here. What you're able to do is put leverage on your Ethereum, 2x, 5x, 10x, 50x, 100x. Actually, I think Ethereum is only 50x, but Bitcoin you can do 100x. Let's say we do 10x on Ethereum. So every time Ethereum goes up 1%, you earn 10%. That's what 10x leverage is. The same thing on the inverse though. If you use 10x leverage and Ethereum goes down 1%, you actually lose 10% on that one Ethereum. So it goes both ways. And with this recent market dip that you guys saw, that's what was happening. That's what people were doing. They were over leveraged. People were putting 25, 50, 100K Bitcoin leverage trades in, and that's what the whales saw. And then when the whales saw that we were way over leveraged, all they have to do to you is drop the price big time on you, let the Bitcoin price drop. That means that gets you liquidated, which means you lose a piece, or if you get fully liquidated, you lose your whole trade, which could be the whole Ethereum in our example. And then from there, they're able to, the price goes down and they're able to scoop up what you just lost. And that means you gave up your position to the whales. So you guys have to be really, really careful if or when you are leverage trading. But now Kucoin has a feature where you won't get liquidated ever. This right here is called the Kucoin ETF. And what the Kucoin ETF, as you guys can see here on the screen, I'm going to click Kucoin ETF. By the way, guys, this is the front page of Kucoin. I love the Kucoin app. Like I said, if you guys don't have the Kucoin app, make sure you guys go ahead, click the link in the description and sign up for Kucoin with us. Like I said, I think I don't know how many I've signed up so far. I think I've signed up 16 friends, 16 people. 16 people so far have signed up under my link. So if you guys want to go ahead and support the channel, please go ahead and sign up under the link. And if anybody from Kucoin is watching, like I said, I wouldn't mind a sponsor. I like you guys a lot. So what you guys are going to do to get to this leverage, this trading leverage here, is you click 3X, the 3X ETF down here. You click the 3X ETF, and from there you guys can see ETH3L, ETH3S, BTC3L, or BTC3S. And what that stands for, guys, is Ethereum 3X long, Ethereum 3X short, Bitcoin 3X long, Bitcoin 3X short. So as you guys can see, if you bought into the Ethereum short, right now you'd be down 17%. If you would have bought into the Ethereum long 3X, you would be up 16.97%. So let's go ahead and look at the chart really quick. As you guys can see, last night when we saw the dip, there was a huge dip, and obviously in a leveraged trade, you went from in here, this little ETF, it was at $31.49, dipped all the way back down to $11.80. So like I said, that is from 33 to 11, that is a 66% swing. That's what happens when you are using leverage. Things move up and down fast. And then, as you guys can see, you hit the 1180 point, and then over the course of a day, you leveraged all the way back up to right now where we're at about 25.39. So this right here, you're able to go ahead and buy with USDT, which is Tether. You're able to buy Tether, put money on Kucoin as USD Tether, or you can convert any of your money from Coinbase or Binance or wherever you have money. You guys can convert from there and transfer directly over here to Kucoin. So like I said, go ahead and sign up for Kucoin here. But you guys are able to get the exposure to 3X leverage without actually having the threat of getting liquidated. That's what's cool about the 3X Kucoin ETF. So guys, if you guys are interested, go ahead and join the link in the description below. Make sure you guys go ahead and get some Tether, move some over, and try it out for yourself. If you guys wanted to get into leverage trading, I do have a Bybit Bybit link in my description as well. However, I think especially for beginners, if you guys want to get into some leverage trading without the chance of getting liquidated, go ahead and try the ETH 3x long on Kucoin. So guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, follow. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss a single video in our 2K to 1 million challenge, where we're doing pretty solid so far. We're almost at 4x. And I think with this imminent altcoin season coming, I think we're going to continue to do better. We're also giving away $500 of your favorite altcoin, and 3 other lucky people are going to get Begin Crypto merch. And like I said, the link in the description for that giveaway is down here in our description. But until next time, guys, I will talk to you soon. Thank you guys so much for joining. Go ahead, join Kucoin, try out leverage trading this way without getting liquidated if you want. So until next time, guys, talk soon. Peace.